And then our second tip or strategy is invest based on principles and not based on narratives. So you don't see the very richest investors in the United States using market timing. Okay. They use something called value investing. That's something that Warren Buffett uses, and they invest based on principles, not on narratives. So remember that a company's stock price is made up of two different values. It has its intrinsic value, like its true underlying value, which is based on how profitable the actual company is and what their earnings are. Okay. And then it has this other portion of its price that's based on how much an investor would buy or sell that investment that very moment.
And that decision is based on emotions, on human behavior.
And narratives.
And narratives.
From the news
it's typically driven by the news media. The news media, remember, whose job is to get you to keep watching or listening, not to give you good financial advice. But the news media drives these narratives to capture your attention, oftentimes to stoke fear, because if you're afraid, you're going to watch the news media more often. And most of the time they're wrong. And, you know, just like through 2022, they said that, you know, run for the hills, and interest rates are going to go up. Inflation is you know, going to kill the stock market. The war in Ukraine is going to kill the stock market. There's a recession, on and on and on. Those companies are still making money. Many of them are making more money than they were before, and they're healthy. Their price went down because the news media stoked this fear, but it's going back up as the truth comes out, and as we get through past this election, and that sort of thing.